Professor Jesper Hattel's research is of exceptional scientific quality. His work, encompassing micro, meso, and macro levels, is crucial for deepening our understanding of the fundamental physical phenomena that drive manufacturing processes.
What is remarkable also in the contribution of Jesper is its proximity with industrial concerns. The industrial focus is always present in all the approaches and methodologies he has developed to improve the control of manufacturing processes and so to improve the quality of manufactured products.
Professor Jesper Hattel is a highly regarded researcher with international recognition and strong connections to colleagues worldwide. I've known him for many years through my sabbatics and frequent short visits to DTU. I have always been deeply impressed by his scientific background as well as his personal quality and work ethic.